With emergency alerts popping up on your phone, are you prepared for a wildfire? With a Limitless Suppression System, you can be. My name's Chase Van Buren. I'm the owner and founder of LSS, and we build in Kelowna, BC, full perimeter mount ground spikes, roof peaks, roof Ys, wall mounts, chain link mounts, also full intake systems from pumping from Okanagan Lake that they need right now, low water for streams or pools. And I'm going to give you a full walkthrough on how I'm protecting my own home and the exact reason why I started this business. And here, hat almost blew off. We got about 80 km/h wind gusts in bald eagle measurements. That's probably about 45 miles an hour. This ground spike connected in series goes all the way to the other ground spike, Ys off in the center, and goes to another ground spike in the trees. Each one of these sprinklers has a 30-foot radius, a 60-foot diameter. So on my house, not a very big place, 2 roof peaks has it covered, and they're linked. First one is linked all the way to the other one on the top, which we're gonna show you exactly how that works. But as you guys can see, when there's wildfires, and it is a true problem, don't feel like you're gonna be safe just because it hasn't happened to you yet, because clearly there's people we've even talked to on the other side of the lake, they've already lost their cabins. So where I am, we don't like living anywhere near the city, so we don't get municipal water. We basically have to be on wells or cisterns or anything like that. So what I did for my 2 young girls, we put in a 7,000 gallon above ground pool. And it was also linked with an LSS intake system. So we're gonna walk up here and I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to protect my own home. So right here you can see this is just a standard $1,000 Honda pump, probably cheaper in American funds. But here we have water thieves that connect to garden hose, all standard stuff used by BC Wildfire, and also set with a splitter. You want to keep as much volume of water running as far as you can and then divert it. You don't want to run just a single garden hose to your structure and then try to power a lot of different series of sprinklers. We're going to open this valve because I've already pre-primed this line. This line was full, but I'll show you what's on the bottom. So get soaked here in the wind. This is 12 gauge steel, sits nicely on the bottom of the pool, and it's basically going to pull water down to 1.5 inches left of depth. But the wind is just howling. It's just blowing the tarp of this building, and certain things could come at any point, and we're going to show you how these guys react in the wind. So here you can see our ground spikes working. Now me and my camera lady, we're going to get a little bit wet, but we're going to show you the coverage that you can get. And even if we zoom in here, you can see my ground spikes working. You can see the top roof peak working. So this whole system, I have 4 ground spikes and 2 roof peaks for a total of 6, running no problem off the Honda. We've even done other YouTube videos where we'll run up to 28 sprinklers off of 1 Honda pump. So basically, it's designed for a low volume of water, yet a really wide coverage. And when you have a traditional sprinkler head that taps to make it turn, that's basically breaking the water and it's breaking the stream, which then into the wind, it's not gonna spray as far, which these are spraying nicely into the wind. We're getting even coverage all the way around. The sprinkler head being a low volume of water and a wide coverage is a lot of the science behind our system, because we want that pool to last as long as possible. As I walk around the house, there's not a single dry spot around the whole perimeter. The ground is wet, way out to here, from that peak, doing its job. Linked in series, the peak over here. I just got droplets on me. We don't need a lot out this side just because it is all a gravel driveway, all wet. Even on my car, starting to get wet, all from the peak. These spikes nicely doing their job, spraying down this grassy bank. Ran in series to that ground spike, and even to this one in the trees. The splitter, I can turn off each side if I want to. By 1.5 inch main line into a cap reducer to a splitter. What we've done is kept a high volume of water from our pool / cistern where our Honda pump sits to get it down here, then divert it into garden hose and nicely spraying everything around the home. So we're definitely going to be doing a lot more of these walkthroughs, showing you different buildings, different structures, different setups. Maybe it's, the next time we'll pump from lakes and streams or what have you, but we're going to start filming what crosses our way and make sure that you guys are protected when that happens.